Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
To correctly install RAM in your computer: 1. Power off and unplug your computer. 2. Open the case and locate the RAM slots. 3. Align the notch on the RAM module with the slot. 4. Insert the RAM at a 45-degree angle and press down firmly until it clicks into place. 5. Ensure the latches secure the RAM module. 6. Close the case, plug in, and power on your computer. Your system should now recognize the new RAM.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.